Okay, this is where you play. Isn't that so cool? Okay. So far, I can't get the hands on right, so I'm giving up. Okay, you see those two dots right there? Okay, I'm going to have to fix those, like, really quick. I'm going to turn that thing back there, because I have to go through this wood, and move this one up here into the leaves, and then paint that and get it fixed, because I don't like that. Okay, that's it. I'm going to see if I can get it when it comes on, the music. Let's hope it comes on. Come on. All right, it's 14 seconds. It's off some, but whatever. Okay. Boy, that makes me so mad. Come on. Let's see. Okay, we're going to see if it works. It's 3. It does 3 after. And there's nothing I can do about it. Let me see. Okay, 1 more minute. Oh my gosh. Well, I moved it a little bit. So, gosh, I hope I didn't mess it up. But anyway, this is for, you know, the other video that I was trying to finish it up, and I did, and then I put my company logo. You can see real close. It says "So Happy" because of there's a hole there, and that was driving me crazy because of the recording box in the back. So, well, it turned out really good. Personalized it. Oh my gosh, it's not working. It's been working all day. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Come on. God, it's 1 minute and 11 seconds. Come on. Crapola. Well, that makes me so mad. I know it was going all day. It was doing 3 minutes after the hour. And then I thought I fixed it. I don't know. I'm not getting those instructions out. You know, that was really stupid of me. I should have took a picture of them instructions. Why didn't I do that? Oh, that's so cool! Well, I made a clock. And I've made clocks before, but not like this. I made other clocks, but not like this. Oh my gosh, that was just a picture. Love it. I hope everybody likes it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like. Thumbs up. Okay. Thanks for watching. So happy. Bye.